We need to get this out fast because there's a lot, the increasing ill health that we see just is not sustainable.
Individuals typically see life-changing results within 3 to 6 months, and thousands of people have successfully replaced their psychiatric medications with micronutrients within this time. But those who experience illness symptoms seem to have very high nutrient needs, and they respond best to our recommended doses. Daily Essential Nutrients contains all the essential vitamins and minerals at therapeutic levels. This approach may be bulky, but it is effective. When it comes to nutrition, the discussion of safety must include not only what intake levels are too high, but also what intake levels are too low, because the health problems caused by inadequate nutrient intake are much more common and can be extremely serious. Daily Essential Nutrients is like food for a starving brain. If you stop feeding it, the brain will begin to show signs of hunger and symptoms will return.